Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Vogo, it's sign. This is August mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. Vogo, it's sign. I want clarification card for Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Six of Swords. Two of Cups. Okay. Under the deck, Nine of Cups, Nine of Swords, Eight of Wands and Four of Swords. So lots of you are in no contact situation. You are healing right now, Virgo. But there is a chance for lots of communication. But you are missing someone. You are losing your sleep patterns. You are losing your sleep. But you are wishing something, but it is not happening right now. That's why you are into depression or anxiety energy. But there is a chance for lots of communication. But you are taking rest and you are healing. So let's see your reading recent past. Six of Swords, Two of Cups and Queen of Pentacles, and Six of Swords clarification Temperance, Two of Cups, Two of Wands and Queen of Pentacles to Queen of Cups. So what I'm getting here, there is love between both of you and it's mutual, but there is no equal give and take. What I'm getting here, maybe your person is always in and out of your life. That's why you have very strong emotions towards your person, but right now you're focusing on your career. In recent past, you started focusing on your career from Queen of Cups to Queen of Pentacles. So, and you're thinking about them a lot. Maybe one person in this connection have options, but you are being very patient, but nothing is changed. That's why maybe you decided to move on. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. Then present Two of Pentacles, the Devil and Hangman. You still in some dilemma. You're still juggling and obsessed with them. Maybe they are very toxic for you because they always keep putting you on stuck energy or they keep putting you on waiting. So you don't like this energy anymore. Then future, Five of Cups, Page of Pentacles and Knight of Pentacles. So Five of Cups clarification cards, King of Pentacles and Eight of Swords. See, stuckness, stuck energy. Five of Cups, you feeling sad, but you are focusing on your money. You decided in future you will focusing on your career and money. But there is some communication is coming, maybe apology text. Maybe someone from past is coming back. For some, a new person is entering in your life. It depends on your situation. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Capricorn or Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity. Virgo. Under the deck, Three of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, King of Cups and the World. Yeah, some cycles are already ended between you and your person. They do love you. They want to offer their cup of love to you. They still have a lot of passion towards you. And lots of you are in long distance relationship. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Virgo. I want clarification card for King of and the Emperor, Page of Swords. Yeah. And under the deck, the Moon, Justice, Ten of Wands, and Hierophant and Three of Wands. So they want positive growth in this connection, but right now your person is feeling overburdened or their emotions are running high. They want second chances, but there are some issues between you and your person, Virgo. So let's see their current feelings. Five of Swords, Emperor and King of Wands, and clarification cards, Page of Swords and Ten of Swords. So definitely they did hurt you in past. There are some issues. Maybe your person could be liar or cheater, but right now they're spying you a lot. But to be honest with you, they want success in this connection, but they are not making any move. Expect some communication because they're spying you a lot. Maybe your person have ego problem. Maybe they are immature because right now they are on their power. They still want rebirth in this connection, but they have some ego problems. But I want some clarification for it. Yeah. So Judgment, Three of Pentacles, Two of Wands, Three of Pentacles clarification card, Four of Swords, and Two of Wands clarification card, Six of Wands. So right now they're taking their rest and they're taking their time. They're in the process of making decision. They want success in this connection. They're thinking about you a lot. But yeah, there are some issues in this connection. Maybe they are waiting for your call. Maybe they want to take first move, but their ego is the problem. So they are waiting for your move from your side. Yeah, they want second chances, but their ego is the big problem here. What I'm getting here, that's why they're spying you a lot. They want success in this connection, Virgo. That's why the juggling is here. That's why you walked away from this connection. Maybe you decided to walk away. Still they want to be with you but not making any solid move. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. See, Six of Cups. They're thinking about you a lot. Yeah, they're feeling missed opportunity with you. They're thinking about you a lot. They're going through tower moment. They're juggling. I think you both have some ego problems. Definitely you are on your power and they are on their power. And you want clarity but it is not coming. Definitely your person, still there are some obstacles in this connection. And King of Wands with Four of Wands. You are on your power and they are on their power. Definitely ego clashes between you and your person. So let's see mutual energies. That's why you decided to cut off this person from your life. Ace of Swords. Cutting off. But you both have a lot of passion. You both want to work on this relationship. But there is no clarity. But for some there's chance for reconciliation because the Sun and Four of Wands. But it is not happening very soon, to be honest with you. Because right now you both are stubborn. You both have ego clashes. Maybe it will take some time. In future, if at least one person make towards other person, then there is a chance. Because this right now it is in 3D. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. I'm very crazy about you. I want to be honest with you. I have too much going on in my life and true love. So the messages are true love. I am very crazy about you. I want to be honest with you. I have too much going on in my life. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. A new start is coming, new moon. Yeah. For some, definitely a new start is coming. Especially when new moon is going. And the answers you need are coming full moon in Gemini energy. So if you're searching answers for your questions, definitely the answers you need are coming. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.